and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to try Aquaphor. Have you heard of Scott Barnes? He's a makeup artist. Specifically, he does JLo's makeup. Well, he has a hack and it uses Aquaphor. He uses this lip balm under the eyes and you're supposed to put your concealer over it and it's supposed to make it not crack and it's supposed to make it last longer. And then he uses this lotion on the neck to smooth it out. So let's see if this works. I'm going to apply the Aquaphor Healing Ointment to my neck as suggested. And then let's be crazy. Let's apply this Aquaphor Lip Repair underneath the eyes. And I'm just going to kind of place it anywhere I think I might need extra hold for my makeup. And then I'm going to just do my makeup like usual. I'm going to add my concealer and I'm going to blend it in with my fingers. And then I'm going to go in with a foundation. And I've been really into mixing and matching my foundations lately. Just do what works for you. And then I'm a big fan of doing my eyeshadow and my contour and then setting my makeup. As I use a powder eyeshadow and a powder contour, I feel like this helps set the makeup. And then I go in with my translucent powder to finish it off. And now that everything is set, I can go back into the eyes. We're going to smoke it out a little bit. I'm so excited because I thought I lost this eyeshadow, but I found it recently and I'm so glad it's back in my life. I love a smoky eye and I think this specific gray and this kind of orangey copper tone really helps my green eyes pop. Now I'm adding a Jason Wu highlighter. It's been my favorite thing lately, as well as this Jason Wu blush. There's 3 different shades that you can choose from. And don't forget the eyes. That ties everything together. Next up is brows. I use the e.l.f. brow gel and I use the NYX micro pencil. It's like my favorite combination. Never forget the lashes and don't sleep on this Bay Free lip tint. It's my favorite. I mean, it looks good. I feel like it always looks like this though, so I guess I'll have to see how it wears through the day and I'll kind of put in a little how did it wear after the credits. But until then, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Okay, this is 9 hours later and I have to say every place I put the Aquaphor, the makeup is still there. Like, it's still there. I didn't put it here and it's worn off from eating and wiping my mouth, blowing my nose, whatever it was throughout the day. It wore off, but right here did not, or right here. So crazy. So I'm so intrigued, but I am so excited to perfect this technique. Are you going to try this? Let me know. Also, side note, my stain is still pretty good.